our mobility aids are fitted with a wide range of battery types and sizes. So in this video, we're going to answer some of the most common questions that we receive, from correct charging procedures to storage and maintenance. To charge the battery, simply plug the cable into the charging port, taking care not to bend or snap the pins. We recommend that you charge your scooter at least twice a week and for 10 to 12 hours at a time, even when the scooter isn't in regular use. For your initial charge, we do recommend leaving the battery plugged in on charge for a full 24-hour period. When charging, a red light will show. When fully charged, the light will switch from red to green. Please be aware that on some models, the light on the charger may switch from red to green prematurely. For an accurate reading of the battery's charge life, check the gauge on the control panel. Make sure the charger is disconnected from the battery when not in use, as this can drain your battery. For some mobility scooters, you'll find the circuit breaker or reset button underneath the charging port on the battery. On some batteries, you might need to locate the fuse, which is shown here. Some scooters, like those using lithium-ion batteries, have a charging port on top of the battery pack. This is also where you'll find the circuit breaker or reset button. It's also very important to remember to only use the charger that has been supplied with your mobility scooter. And remember, you can always find out more details on the website, where you can also chat to us online or just give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.